Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know how we have generated almost 400 plus leads for a cafe and bar website at the cost per conversion of less than $2. Our client, the cafe and bar, a charming local cafe located in the heart of the city, wanted to increase its online presence and attract more customers to their establishment. They sought to generate more leads and increase foot traffic while maintaining a cost-effective advertising strategy. There are various challenges that we have faced. The client had a well-established cafe but had never ventured into the digital marketing. They had zero digital presence and had not even set up a Google My Business profile. Recognizing the need for the online visibility and marketing, the client approached us for assistance. So now, in terms of the strategies, we began by assisting the client in setting up their Google My Business account. Recognizing that for a local business, this is a critical first step. Subsequently, we encouraged the client to share their store's Google My Business link with their customers, soliciting reviews to populate their GMB profile and enhance their online reputation. After successfully establishing the Google My Business profile, we advised the client on the importance of ongoing SEO, while which effective and require time to yield the results. To rapidly attract new customers and see immediate outcomes, we recommend using Google Ads as the swiftest means to achieve this goal. So the first thing that we have done for them was the keyword research. Extensive keyword research was conducted to identify the most relevant and cost-effective keywords for the cafe. This helped us create targeted ads and reach potential customers searching for terms like local, cafe, coffee shop and brunch with their city. And then the next thing that we have done for them was the high quality local campaigns. We created compelling ad copy that highlighted the unique offerings, including the artisan coffee and delicious brunch options and a cozy atmosphere. The ad extensions such as the location extension and the call out extension were used to provide additional information to the potential customers. Third thing that we have done was the geo targeting. To focus on the local market, we used geo targeting to ensure that the ads were shown to users within a specific radius of the cafe's location. The next thing is the conversion tracking. Conversion tracking was set up to measure the number of leads generated from the campaigns accurately. The ad scheduling was optimized to ensure that the ads were shown during the cafe's operating hours, maximizing the chances of attracting more customers. So after setting up the campaigns using the best PPC practices and running the campaigns for few months, we have been able to find out that there are few keywords that has done well for us. For example, our top converting keywords were cafe near me, coffee near me, open now, best breakfast near me and coffee shop regular. So after managing the campaigns for a few months, we have been able to generate almost 400 plus leads at the CPA of below $2. Also, the client have themselves mentioned the fact that they were getting good amount of visitors going to their physical location, and they have seen an visible footfall increase as well. Also, you can see our top performing ad below. So if you have any PPC campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. In the audit, we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. On the other side of things, if you do not have any ads running, then you can still contact us with your website URL, monthly budget and the location targeting. We will be able to do some kind of research, and then we will be able to get back to you with the plan of action on what exactly that you can do to bring some more business online for your website. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.